Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World Series, we are going to experience Oslo. Oslo is the capital city of Norway. I have some few friends in Oslo. One of my friends, she when she first moved from Tanzania to Oslo, she found it so very cold, such that when she saw a small hint of sun, she went out with her swimming suit to go swim in the lake. Well, she shared some few fun facts you can do, things to do in Oslo. Firstly, you can visit the Nobel Peace Center, which was founded by Alfred Nobel. That is where people go to receive their Nobel Peace Prizes. It is just opposite the City Hall. Secondly, you can visit the Viking Museum, which has a good collection of Viking vessels. Thirdly, you can visit the Vigeland Park, which is the biggest sculpture park in the world. Sculpture, excuse my English. Then, fourthly, you can visit the Opera House, which has a beautiful shape which resembles the glacier in the Oslofjord waterway. Then, fifthly, if you are doing Christmas in Winterland, you can pass through the palace as you go to the Christmas market. The Christmas market usually has some good souvenirs, some hot coffee, some sweets. Yeah, you can do a bit of shopping from there. Well, I have a fun fact about Norway. The Frozen is a Disney movie. It's a very classic Disney movie. It was inspired by the Scandinavian landscapes of Norway. Well, with all the winter, the beautiful winter, it's cold. So the tip is just dress warmly, but enjoy the beauty. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis. For more details, check out my website, patsoasis.com. Bye for now.